Good afternoon, it's Chris from Stockton Land Rover. I hope you're well. Wanted to send a video and do a video on this car for you. Just come in, really nice specification and also quite a rare car. So it's worth talking you through it and talking through the options. So we're in Varesine Blue to start with, but we're a Range Rover Sport. Now the bit where it becomes a bit more unique is that we're a D300 straight six 300 horsepower turbo diesel engine, but we're the Autobiography. So in the standard range, that's basically the halo car from Range Rover's perspective. So barring special vehicles, there is nothing higher on specification than this car. This is well into the six figures when it was new. So Varesine Blue, dynamic LED adaptive headlights on the car, all the black finishes on here along with the grille and the lettering in the dark grey as well. Copper finishes just on the front, bumper on the top of the bonnet and down on the sides as well. We've also got the diamond turned alloy wheels, which have a nice little matte finish on the inside as well. Again, that is because it's Autobiography and it will come with the gloss black brake calipers as well. Badging of Autobiography on the side, and we've got the contrast roof, 360 cameras and the keyless entry as well. Again, don't know if it will come out on the video, but if I just see on here, Autobiography as well, we've just got the soft close on the car as well, so you don't need to slam the doors. Air suspension is also standard on the car, and it will come with a year Jaguar Land Rover warranty, including breakdown assistance and home start. Rear LED lights, dynamic on the rear as well for you. And then if we just go into the boot, we've also got plenty of boot space. This will also just pop up and it can be used as a bit of storage to block anything rolling down on the system as well. So it will obviously mean that if you've got something in the back, it can stop it from falling out as you're driving. If we just come around to the side of the car, fully approved car, obviously Autobiography, so it's been very well looked after anyway, but there should be no scuff scrapes, certainly no marks on the alloy wheels. Just going into the rear of the car, this is where it comes into its own on Autobiography. Full semi-airline ebony ivory interior with the nice perforated inset as well on there for you. You've got your heated and your cooled rear seats in the car and full Meridian Sound system. They also can electrically recline the seats to give them a little bit more comfort on the longer journeys as well. Onto the passenger front, again the same semi-airline ebony ivory interior. Again, Autobiography gives you that little bit extra. So on the top of the dash, we've got the full leather dash with the stitching in there as well for you. And electric memory seats for both driver and passenger. If I just go into the driver's seat, the exact mileage on the car today is 24,097 miles. So very low mileage for the year of the car. We've got the full Pivi Pro newest infotainment system. So sat nav, phone, media, just tap this on here. You'll see that we've got all your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Just go into your seats on here. We have your heated and cooled and massaging seats for both driver and passenger. Again, with this being Autobiography. And then you've got your wireless charge device just tucked down below there. Heated front and rear windscreens, full auto terrain response system, your twin cup holders and additional storage just out in the center as well. Also have the full sliding panoramic roof, and hopefully it will come out on the video, but again, Autobiography, so we've got the full suede headlining as well and the twin blade sun visors as well. And if I just show you this, we also have something called ClearSight rear view mirror. So that's your normal mirror. However, at the flick of a button, it then does a high definition feed to the rear of the car, extra 15 degrees worth of viewing angle out the rear. And essentially, if there's any passengers in the rear, they just disappear because it's a live feed from outside the car. Just onto the interactive dash, which is a full interactive dash. We have a focus system here, so we've got your map, your digital speed, speed of road and media that can be adapted and tailored, and we have a full head-up display as well, along with all your infotainment on your steering wheel, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control with speed limiter and lane departure warning as well. Sounds like I'm not taking a breath, because I'm not, because I'm trying to fit all the specification in the car for you, but it's not got a lot on it, has it? That's just very brief. I could speak for another 5 minutes regarding the options on this car, but you should really see it for yourself and drive it. You probably know these are rare cars, and they're completely at the top of the tree with it being Autobiography. Now, you can just reserve this car for £99 subject to a test drive or part exchange figures. If you'd like to do that, please call myself. I'm Chris, and it's 01642 644 444.